Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a pirate coin in Sculpt OK. Firstly, we upload our image here and choose the color image and click draw. After time of the drawing, we get 4 depth maps. Usually we can ignore the first one and choose the best depth maps among the rest. I think this is the best one, so I click 3D preview to see how it looks in 3D. I think everything's good. Now let's remove the watermark. Click watermark free to download depth map without watermark. After that, click 3D sculptor in right sidebar and upload depth map just downloaded. As you can see, a beautiful pirate coin model is really very simple, right? Many thanks for watching, likes and subscribes. See you next time.